Hello my subject friends and family. I am Shrutisrini Aij. I am 11 years old and today I want to tell you about my dreamland. I want to travel with you to my dreamland, the place where I dream of. I dream of about Jog Falls in Karnataka. Jog Falls is a waterfall on the Shravati river located in the Western Ghats, Siddapur Taluk, Uttara Kannada district, and the view point is located in Sagara Taluk of Shimoga district. It is the second highest plunge waterfall in India. It is a segmented waterfall which depends on rain and region becomes a plunge waterfall. The falls are major attractions for tourists and it is ranked 36th in the list of free-falling waterfalls, 490th in the world by list of waterfalls by total height, 128th in the list of single drop waterfalls in the world by the waterfall database. Jog Falls are unique as the water does not stream down the rocks in a tiered fashion. It thunders down the slope, losing contact with the rocks, making it the tallest untiered waterfall in India. The beauty of the waterfalls is enhanced by the lush green surroundings which provide a scenic backdrop. It is a gorgeous rock falls enveloped by lush green forest over which the Shravati takes a multi-stream plunge. Jog Falls or Jogga or Jogadagandi in Kannada is Asia's second highest plunge waterfall. Jogga in Kannada means falls. It is also called Jistoppa Falls. I want to go by airway. So first you need to go to the airport in Mangalore. Mangalore is the nearest to Jog Falls. The airport is well connected by flights to Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. It is the beauty in the Western Ghats of Karnataka. It is a combination of 4 individual streams called lovingly as Raja, Rani, Roder and Rocket. Do you know which is the best time to visit there? I personally visit in my summer vacation. That means the beginning of the monsoon. You can go from September till December or in June, means the beginning of monsoon. I'm eager to visit my dreamland, that is Jog Falls, every time.